What is ribbon in Excel? Excel ribbon is the row of tabs and icons at the top of the Excel window that allow you to find, understand, and use commands for completing a certain task. Tabs. It contains multiple commands logically subdivided into groups. Group. A set of closely related commands normally performed as part of a larger tasks. Button. It is the button you click to perform a particular action. Dialog Launcher. A small arrow in the lower right corner of a group brings up more related commands. Dialog launchers appear in groups that contain more commands than available space. File tab. File tab provides a backstage view of your document. Here you will find the basic commands such as new, open, save, print, info, share, save as, options, etc. Home tab. The Excel Home tab is used to execute regular instructions like bold, underline, copy, and paste. It contains clipboard, font, alignment, number, cell, and editing. Clipboard group. The clipboard group is used for cut, copy, and paste. Font group. The font group is used for choosing the desired font and size. There are numbers of fonts available in the dropdown. Alignment group. This group is used to align text such as top, middle, or bottom alignment of text within the cell. Number group. This group provides options for displaying number format. There are various format available, such as general, accounting, percentage, comma style, etc. Styles. You can have various styles for cells like good, bad, and neutral. Cells group. This group is used to modify the cell according to its height and width, etc. Also, you can hide and protect the cell using format feature. You can also insert and delete new cells and rows from this group. Editing group. This group is useful for editing the data on an Excel sheet. The most prominent of the commands here is the find and replace in Excel. Also, you can use the sort feature to analyze your data. Insert tab. The Insert tab is used to insert distinct features like tables, pictures, clip art, shapes, charts, page number, word art, header, and footer in a spreadsheet. It contains tables, illustrations, add-ins, charts, tours, sparklines, filters, links, text, and symbol group. Tables group. You can use a table to sort, filter, and format the data within the sheet. You can also use pivot table to analyze complex data very easily. Illustrations group. This group provides a way to insert pictures, shapes, or artwork in Excel. Charts group. It helps you to visualize the data in graphical format. 3D map group. The 3D map is also a part of the extra add-in to visualize the data better and more meaningful. Sparklines group. Insert cell-sized graphs. Filters group. Create slicers and timelines from data and pivot tables. Links group. This is a great tool to provide hyperlinks from the Excel sheet to an external URL or files. Text group. This group is used to text in the desired format, such as add header, footer, word art, signature, etc. Symbol group. Symbols are special characters that we may want to insert in the Excel sheet for better representation. Draw tab. Draw tab lets you draw with a digital pen, mouse, or finger. This tab is available in Excel 2013. Tools group. An eraser tool is also available to clean up any mistakes. Additionally, there is a lasso tool that allows you to turn a drawing into an object. To stop using these tools, make sure you press the escape button. Pens group. This section allows you to use two different pen options and a highlighter to draw with. Color palettes and thickness settings are offered for each writing tool for ease of use. Convert group. This section has a few interesting tools that convert drawings into useful shapes and mathematical expressions. Page layout tab. You can rearrange your document pages simply in the manner you wish them. You can set margins, apply themes, manage page orientation and size and line breaks, show line numbers, and set paragraph indentation. It contains themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet options, and arrange group. Themes group. Themes allow you to change the style and visual look of Excel. Page setup group. This is an important group primarily used along with printing an Excel sheet. Scale to fit group. This option is used to stretch or shrink the printout of the page to a percentage of the original size. Sheet options group. It is another useful feature for printing. If we want to print the row and column numbers in the Excel sheet, we can use this feature. Arrange group. Here, we have different options for objects inserted in Excel like bring forward, send backward, selection pane, align, group objects, and rotate. Formulas tab. The Formula tab is used to insert functions, outline the name, produce the name, review the formula, etc. It contains function library, define names, formula auditing, and calculation. Function library group. Function library contains all the formulas that one uses in Excel. Define name group. This feature can be used to name the cell, and these named cells can be called from any part of the worksheet without worrying about its Excel locations. Formula auditing group. This is used for auditing the flow of formulas and their linkages. Calculations group. The option selected for calculation is automatic. However, one can also change this option to manual. Data tab. The Data tab contains options mainly for filtering, sorting, and manipulating data. It has options for importing external data. Get external data group. This option is used to import external data from various sources like Access, Web, Text, SQL Server, XML, etc. Queries and connections group. This is an advanced feature used to combine data from multiple sources and present it in the desired format. Sort and filters group. This features can be used to sort the data from A to Z or Z to A, and also you can filter the data using the drop-down menus. Data tools group. One can create various scenario analyses using what-if analysis, data tables, goal seek in Excel, and scenario manager. Forecast group, this forecast function can be used to predict the values based on historical value. Outline group, one can easily present the data in an intuitive format using the group and ungroup options. Review tab. The Review tab contains tools mainly for spell checking, thesaurus, sharing, protecting, and tracking changes in Excel worksheets. Proofing group, proofing allows you to run spell checks in Excel. In addition to spell checks, one can also use a thesaurus if you find the right word. Accessibility group, this identifies any aspects of your workbook that could be altered to assist people with disabilities. Insights group, this is powered by Bing and provides wiki articles and top-related searches from the web. Language group, you can translate the Excel sheet from English to any other language by using this feature. Comments group, this feature is used to write an additional note for important cells. Protect group, provides options for protecting your workbook or specific worksheets. Ink group, the drop-down contains the commands, hide ink, delete all ink on sheet and delete all ink on workbook. View tab. View tab contains mainly commands to view the Excel worksheet like change views, freeze panes, arrange multiple windows, etc. Workbook view group, you can choose the viewing option of the Excel sheet from this group. Show group, this feature can be used to show or not show formula bars, grid lines, or heading in the Excel sheet. Zoom group, sometimes an Excel sheet may contain a lot of data, and you may want to change zoom in or zoom out desired areas of the Excel sheet. Window group, the new window is a helpful feature that allows the user to open the second window and work on both simultaneously. Macros group, macros are nothing but a recorder of actions taken in Excel and they can execute the same actions again if required. Help tab. This tab provides quick access to the Help task pane and allows you to contact Microsoft support, send feedback, suggest a feature, and get quick access to training videos. Help group displays the Help task pane. Community group opens a browser, displays the Excel home page and Excel blog. File tab, it allows you to jump into the Backstage view that contains the essential file-related commands and Excel options. Home tab, it contains the most frequently used commands such as copying and pasting, sorting and filtering, formatting, etc. Insert tab, it is used for adding different objects in a worksheet such as images, charts, pivot tables, hyperlinks, special symbols, equations, headers, and footers. Draw tab, it lets you draw with a digital pen, mouse, or finger. Page layout tab, it provides tools to manage the worksheet appearance, both on screen and printed. These tools control theme settings, grid lines, page margins, object aligning, and print area. Formulas tab, it contains tools for inserting functions, defining names, and controlling the calculation options. Data tab, it holds the commands for managing the worksheet data as well as connecting to external data. Review data, it allows you to check spelling, track changes, add comments and notes, protect worksheets and workbooks. View tab, it provides commands for switching between worksheet views, freezing panes, viewing, and arranging multiple windows. Help tab, this tab provides quick access to the Help task pane and allows you to contact Microsoft support, send feedback, suggest a feature, and get quick access to training videos. Thanks for watching.